Hey lipstick besties, hey Patreon family, this is Victoria Lowe and I'm back with another video, and this time this is a beautiful color courtesy of the community chat recommended by Luz Marina. Thank you, Luz. She says, hello everyone, I hope everyone had an awesome Christmas. What a sweetheart. I came across this beautiful Revlon lipstick. I'm wondering if you can teach us how to make it. I absolutely love this color. Thank you so much in advance. You guys come with such beautiful colors and I cannot thank you enough. I truly appreciate you. The color that she wants to see is the Caramel Glace Pearl. It's like a pearlized, almost mocha neutral with like a hint of caramel. I was so excited to do this color. You guys, this is how it came out. Absolutely stunning, and it is so fitting for any skin tone. When I say any skin tone, I promise. I wore it all weekend after I made it, and you guys, it just complimented my skin so well. So first things first, I'm going in with the lipstick base. You can grab that at veryvelobeauty.com, and then I'm going in with some Magic Moments mica, some honey blush mica, and some dark brown oxide. Those are the three colors or the three pigments that I'm going to be starting with. And then for the bullet portion of the base, I'm going to have my Very Veelo Beauty bullet base, which you can also get from veryvelobeauty.com. And then into the lipstick base, regular lipstick base. You see me here adding those pigments that I mentioned before, and I'm just going to give these a good mix. I decided to make a liquid version of the lipstick first and then melt it all down together with the bullet base. So while that bullet base is melting on the hot plate, I'm just going in and creating this beautiful neutral frosty situation. Now I'm going in with some Magic Moments. I wanted to bring forth some more of that caramel. So I'm starting off with a little pink mica here. This is the Magic Moments mica, and I'm mixing that in very well. And then I decided to kind of amp it up and add some red 40, just a little bit of the FD&C red 40 alum lake to kind of build the undertones and build the color, and it helped a ton. So here I am just mixing that in, and then it got a little tough, so I went in with some more lipstick base and about a half a teaspoon. This will not change the color payoff at all because I went in with such a little amount, and it's no match to the pigment that I put in before. Now I'm just going to finish things off to kind of bring back some of that metallic frost by adding in some honey blush mica, and then I'm just going to fold that in, and just like that I am done with the color phase portion. Now it is time to combine the color phase with the liquid bullet, melted bullet base. So I'm just taking a teaspoon of that finished product and I'm going to add it right into my little glass beaker. You can purchase these beakers from Amazon as well as the little pink lipstick mold, and then I'm just going to mix that in thoroughly really well until everything is equally combined and it's just one liquid melted like so, just liquidy and melted. Then I'm going in with some preservative cap 2 from TKB. 1 drop is all you need. And then I'm going to mix that well. And then I'm going to pour it over into the mold and set it in the fridge for about 25 minutes just to be safe and give it time to completely take the shape of the mold. Now that we're back, it is done. It is perfectly molded. And I'm going to scrape off the top of the excess with a little sanitized spatula. Remove the top of the mold gently, and now it's time to demold the lipstick. So I'm just gonna take this cute little tube, push it down, turn it all the way up, and then push it down. And just like that, we made another bullet, and it is perfect, you guys. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely stunning. So here I am just trying this gorgeous color on right here. And as you can see, it is so complimenting, you guys. It's like a neutral, but that pearlescent shine that it has really makes it pop. You guys, this is with no gloss, but I can imagine what it would look like paired with a gloss. But you don't have to. It's still equally as beautiful. It's creamy and it's satin. And just like that, you guys, I'm done. Thank you so much for always allowing me to share my gift with you and also coming with these beautiful requests. Happy New Year, you guys. I hope 2025 is filled with all of the dreams, visions, and goals and all of your heart's desires and more, and then some, okay? Love you guys. Bye.